If you're watching this video, you probably have a phone and Wi-Fi, but if your smartphone is not making money, it's a dumb phone. And that's all you need to start making $500 in a single day in less than 2 hours of work. So with this lesson, I'll show you exactly with 4 easy steps how you can start making that $500 in less than 2 hours. So I've put together a nice presentation making it easy for you with a simple one rule or rule 1. This is the same rule that made me the best trader possible. At the same time, this is the same rule as well that made me very profitable. Not just profitable, a consistently profitable trader. I've passed multiple funded accounts using this method, and I'm going to share it with you in 4 simple steps. Let's begin. First up, I want to explain to you guys the problems that you could be facing right now. Number 1 being not knowing when to trade. Don't know when to buy and sell, and chart paralysis, and lastly, emotional trauma. Let's go into this a little more deeper. You see, the thing is, most traders don't know when to trade, meaning the exact time the market shows the opportunity. They don't know when is the market ready to trade. And if you don't know when to spot that opportunity in the market, you will never know when is the best time to trade. The second one will be, don't know when to buy and sell. This means they don't have a strategy that tells them exactly when the opportunity arises. And thirdly will be the chart paralysis, meaning you'll find traders just being all over the place, jumping from YouTube to YouTube and strategy to strategy. Because of this behavior, they will have this chart paralysis. Don't know when to buy and sell, which takes us to number 1 again, feeling overwhelmed, and that's number 4. This links to each other, and therefore I say these are the 4 problems that traders will tend to face. But I'm going to solve for you guys, and thereafter you will start making $500 in a single day. Step 3 right now. Okay guys, so I have the solution to all these problems, and after you have all these solutions, you're going to start seeing that it's going to be easy to make $500 a day. If you're enjoying this video, do like this video, subscribe, and don't forget guys to join the free group in the description. Let's continue. Number 1, having a session. Choose your session you want to trade. Don't try to trade all the sessions, Asian, London, and New York. Choose one simple session will help you to actually make it easy to find a trade. The second part is having one pair. You see, if you have a pair that lines up with your session, this will also make it easy to find the opportunity in that session. You see, if your session is US, like for example, if your session is the New York session and you have a USD pair, that will make it easy to find the opportunity. But if you have the New York session and you trade in the pound pair, which is more active in the London session, this will make it harder to find opportunity. Therefore, I always say choose the right session according to your personality, according to your time zone, as well as to your routine. Now, once you have your session, you have your pair, the next thing is very important is the strategy. I will say most traders will focus too much on the strategy instead on the session and the pair. As if you know the pair you're trading, you will understand the personality, right? So personality, pair. Session, very important. So one session, one pair, and then one strategy. Stop strategy hopping. The fourth one will be one trade a day keeps a doctor away. What I'm going to do right now for you guys, I'm going to put this all into perspective on the chart and show you guys exactly a strategy with the session, with the pair, and one trade a day can make you $500 every single day. Let's go on to the chart. Like I said, traders, I'm going to explain to you guys the strategy with the session with the pair. Now I've chosen the US 30 pair, which is the Dow Jones, and I traded in the New York time, and this is the strategy I'm going to use. So I'm going to give you guys a strategy. Sit back and relax and take down notes. Let's begin. So I'll wait exactly for the 15:30 New York candle on the 1 minute to close. Once it closes, I will check, I will look if it is either bullish or bearish. Now write this down. If it is bullish, I'm looking for buys in the New York session. If it's bearish, I'm looking for the sells in the New York session. With that being said, let's go into this strategy. Step 1 would be first spot this candle out. Once this candle is done, the next step would be simply looking for a fair value gap. The first fair value gap I found right over here. Okay, once I found this fair value gap, I will now look to put a buy right at the back on top here, risking at least 60 points, or like this, let's put it at 60 points, there we go, 50 points at the bottom right here, to make at least 100 points, right? Now with this particular trade today, I risked 60 points to make back 1-2, exactly like this. The next thing you will do is simply wait for it to come back down towards here and wait till it should take profit. Let's watch. And right here, the market tapped into our area. We simply waited for the trade. And eventually what happened was market went a little drawdown. You hold onto your trade, you trust analysis, and you use your stop loss and take profit. Let's let it play out. And right over here on top, you can see market hit take profit for easy 1 to 2. And as simple as that, market hit take profit right on the top. And as a bonus, because you watched the video completely till the end, I'm gonna give you guys a little tip. The one thing that really changed the entire game for me is trading prop firm accounts. You see, but the thing with prop firm accounts, you need to start thinking about risk management. Never risk more than 1% per trade. On that one trade per day keeps it locked away. Now with that being said, guys, instead of taking your own personal capital of $100 and going put it into your personal account in a broker, take that $100 and buy a bigger prop firm account, at least of $5,000, $10,000. And also I do have a 30% off in the description with the prop firm I'm using, Vault Funder. Now with that being said, guys, if you do want any more further information and you like these videos, like this video for me, subscribe and comment down below, alpha mode, and I will share with you guys a complete 30-day program, step by step, completely free, on how you can start becoming an alpha trader completely free. Free.